What's up, y'all? C5 Zach. We are back with another banger today, and we got something really cool from Extreme Online Store, so shout out to them for sending this over. And we're not going to waste any time. I'm going to hop right into it. We got a carbon fiber hood from Extreme Online Store. Feel free to check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below. They have tons of stuff. You know, I got their front lip and their side skirts in carbon fiber, but like I said, this is their carbon fiber hood they sent over. Got this massive box behind me. Showed up in really good shape, so I'm hoping the hood is in perfect condition and not damaged. And sorry for the voice, I'm freaking sick once again, but we're gonna get this thing unboxed and we'll see if I can throw it on by myself today. If not, you know, it'll be you know, another day, but same video for you guys. So I'm gonna get this thing unboxed, get it out the crate it's in, and check it out. Alright, yeah, this hood actually looks fire. Hopefully it fits good. We're gonna find out soon. My boy is gonna come help me put it on here in a little bit, but it looks really good. The quality looks really nice on it. The weave and everything looks good. Packaging was great, as you guys saw. It arrived in one piece. I don't think anything's damaged on it from what I've seen. Still gotta check out the corner pieces, but yeah, we got our little mesh vents up in here. Just a really solid piece. Shout out to Extreme Online Store once again. Product looks amazing. Hopefully it fits as good as it looks. That'll really be a determining factor here, deciding on what I want to do. But once we get on the car, we'll see. I don't think I'm just going to leave it all exposed carbon. I think I want to paint most of it and leave the center cowl exposed carbon. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Paint match it white and leave the carbon cowl exposed. Or paint the whole thing white. We'll see. I don't know. Just the whole thing carbon though might be a little too much. But like I said, we'll see how it looks. So I do want to say too, I really love the stock hood, but I mean, they wanted to send this out to me for me to try it out, and you know, I can't refuse that. I can't say no to that. So stock hood looks great, don't get me wrong, but I think this will look mean with the wide body and everything. So I'm excited to get on the car, see how it looks. Appreciate it, bro.
Of course. No problem.
I wasn't gonna open it because I was like, it's a big ass box and I had to like tear it apart and stuff, and I had nowhere to put it once you open it. I was like, fuck it, let me just open it. Then I'm like, damn, well, I kind of gotta put it on now, so.
Yeah.
Luckily, you were free.
Yeah. I tend to be free.
Bro's always free for me.
Especially on the weekends and during the daytime for sure.
Yeah. Damn, you're looking swole. What the hell?
Thanks, bro.
calling your car. Calling your car. Calling your car.
Yeah. Just try not to break this shit.
I know, the garage is tight. Alright y'all, we got the hood on thanks to the help of my boy Joel. Appreciate you coming out. And so we got it on. I got the hood latches and everything on, as you guys saw. Both struts are on. Opens and closed nicely. Got a pretty big gap on the passenger side. I'm gonna have to take care of. As you guys can see, gap, and then it gets to a huge gap at the top. Headlight covers look okay. And then this, we'll see how that looks when we fully close the hood. Then over here, we're pretty much hitting on the fender, so we need to go over left a bunch. And so I'm gonna get that worked out, get this thing fitting as good as I can, and then show you guys. But a little sneak peek, I think it looks freaking sweet though. Alright, I got the hood liner on from the stock hood, got it clipped into the carbon hood, and got everything bolted down. Looks good, lines up pretty good. I got it, I could get it perfect if I wanted to spend more time on it. I spent literally like 15 minutes lining it up, and got the gaps way better. And I'm also missing the 2 bump stops on it. They broke off on the old hood, so not even using those, and it fits really good, honestly. Like I said, I barely adjusted it for like 15 minutes probably, and got it looking pretty good. The gaps are all pretty solid. I'll do more tweaking with it, but it's good for now. I'm really happy with it. It doesn't bow up or anything on the edges like I see a lot of other brands doing. And yeah, really happy with this hood. Super good quality. The vents are awesome. The cowl's not huge, so I think I'll be able to see out the car just fine, but it's really aggressive looking. I'm excited to pull it out in the in daylight and see what it actually looks like all pieced together. But well, I was thinking about paint correcting it and ceramic coating the hood, but actually I haven't decided if I want to leave it carbon or if I'm going to paint it. What's the point of paint correcting it and ceramic coating it? So maybe I'll hold off on that. I was about to do that, but I was just thinking I don't know if I'll leave it exposed carbon. So let me know what y'all think, if I should leave it exposed carbon, paint some of it white and leave the cowl exposed carbon, which I think would be really cool, or you know, some variation of that, paint the whole thing white. We'll see. I'll show you guys what it looks like though out in the daylight. Well guys, that's going to be a wrap for this one. Huge thanks to Extreme Online Store for sending out this hood. Honestly guys, the fitment is great on it. Seriously, like I said, I adjusted it for like 15-20 minutes. I was messing with it, if even that long, and I got it fitting damn near perfect. I could mess with it some more if I really wanted, but I'll do that in the future. But it really lines up great. Showed you guys all the body lines. It arrived in perfect condition too, which can't beat. Hood lines up perfectly with the fender, headlight cover down here. It could go up maybe slightly, but like I said, I don't even have those hard stops in because they broke when I took them out of the old hood, so that'd probably raise it up a little bit in the front. And I think you can adjust that too. I was using the, you adjust it with the hood hinges if you want to go left and right and up and down. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about real quick, just in case there's any questions. Latches perfectly too. You just install the factory little latches right there. Lines up perfectly. So I was adjusting it with these two right here on the hinge right here. These two, you loosen them and you can go left and right and up and down with it. That'll give you a lot of adjustment. And then you could probably use these two as well if you need a little extra room. I might try going up with these, and that'll bring the hood up a little bit. We'll see. But yeah, it lines up great. Got the insulation on, and obviously need to clean it up. It's really dirty, but yeah, you don't want to pressure wash those or anything because it'll destroy it. So I don't really go too crazy cleaning it, but everything lines up. All the holes, these holes were threaded perfectly. They went right in, factory bolts, and these holes went right in as well. These bolts, factory bolts there as well. And then we got our vents. So it is functional. It has vents on the other side as well, which I guess it's under the insulation, so it's probably not doing much with the insulation there, but maybe I'll take those out. But yeah, closes perfectly. Gotta latch that side, but yeah guys, like I said, this thing is beautiful. The fitment is really good on it. Seriously super surprised. I know other companies will have issues with, you know, the corners bowing up and stuff, and fitting like dog shit, like I've seen other people's, and this is not that at all. You can see there, the corners don't bow up, nothing bows up, the headlight gaps are perfect. Really solid piece, super happy with it, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I was thinking. Now that I saw it in the daylight, I actually really like the carbon. I think it looks sick, but I don't know if I want to keep it like that. So I was playing with AI a little bit, and I want y'all's opinion on this. So I was messing with the all white option, and that's if I were to do the hood all white. Like I said, this is just AI, so yeah. All white, looks clean, but nah, a little like too clean almost. And then here I did with the carbon cowl exposed and the rest painted white. This is obviously AI, so it's not perfect, but pretty similar to my car. I think that painted white with the carbon cowl exposed, I think that might be the move. Let me know what y'all think. I think that looks pretty sick though, if I decide to go the paint route. Like I said, I'll keep it like this for now, but I think the painted white with the exposed carbon cowl would be super clean, match all the carbon I got on the car. Everything else is carbon too, so it'll flow really well. And I guess now I got a stock hood for sale, so let me know if you need an Arctic White OEM stock hood. It's in pretty great shape. It has a couple rock chips and stuff, but nothing crazy. The hood or the paint is still in pretty good shape, like I said, so let me know if you want that. I'll leave a link for this hood below. Sadly, they don't really offer discounts, but if you guys use my link, it does help me out, support the channel, so that'd mean a lot to me if you used my link in the description below. They have tons of other stuff, like I said, front lip, side skirts, everything fits great from them. All the quality's great, so feel free to check them out, and you know, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.